lot of you want to grow strawberries because they are absolutely delightful when picked from the garden. Well, here we have what I'd call my little experimental plot. These were actually some plants that I bought from somebody else's garden that had moved. They didn't want the strawberry plants, so I thought I'll bring them back here and the children can enjoy perhaps picking from them in this experimental children's garden that has been created. However, are they difficult? No. You can buy them from a garden centre right now, plant them and get fruit this year. It's okay, you can see how small this plot is, but you could grow them in a hanging basket, in a container, or in a strawberry bed that could be 4 foot long and 6 foot wide, as big as that. But anyway, they're easy to grow, and that's the thing about strawberries. All you need to do is see that the soil is quite rich. In other words, if your soil is a bit blank, add a bit of compost to it and enrich it a little bit. Give them a good liquid feed as the fruit actually appears. Now, if you can see these are ready to be fertilized. There's the fruits in the middle, the stamens and the flower. Once they're pollinated, they'll form a little fruit. Once the fruits form, what you need to do then is actually allow them to be fed up, and then they will produce lovely, beautiful strawberries that you can pick for your own garden. So there you are. Get along to your nursery or garden centre and buy some strawberries.